D.C. schools say this is not a policy change, this is an enforcement change. But elementary school parents say it's caught them completely off guard and has them now scrambling for a solution. This is Avra Siegel. Her son was supposed to start kindergarten this fall. His birthday happens to be the cutoff, September 30th. And for the last few years, Avra says she and her husband plan to hold him back based on a pediatrician and some educational experts' advice. But then they got a letter from DCPS saying even exceptions from doctors would not be accepted. Instead, he's going to have to jump from pre-K to first grade, and Avra says he's not ready for that.
My fear is that being put in a classroom for which he is not prepared academically whatsoever, it will just kill his self-esteem, and any educational expert will tell you that self-esteem is the key to everything.
Coming up at 11 o'clock tonight, DCPS responds saying this has always been their policy, and why Mayor Bowser says she supports this red shirt, as she calls it, crackdown. In Northwest D.C., I'm Matt Gregory, WUSA 9.